Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this gorgeous handbag style lock is a French Vachette, and I'm going to so pronounce this wrong. Ulysse 55, it's Ulysse. Ulysse, I don't know. But it is absolutely gorgeous, and this is sent to me kindly by Daz Evers. You can see it says hardened shackle on there. Kind of cool, isn't it? No key on this one, but the keyway is very, very cool indeed. See, we'll just get a bit more light in there for you. There, can you see how it's got this like little step here, and it's pretty much paracentric. This is an 18,000th pick, and I can sort of get it into the keyway at a deflection, but whilst I can do that at the front, further down it's very hard to steer it between the warding on this side and this side. Better actually to pick off this ledge altogether. So I'm just going to grab a vise. We'll have a go at picking this again. You know, it's rare to find a lock in my collection without a key, but this one will absolutely slide in just because Vachette is really hard to come by in this country. I might be able to find a key for it that I can impression, and also it looks just brilliant. So thank you so much, Daz, for sending this to me. Right, let's go find a vise and stick it in, rig it up, and let's get picking. Here we are in the vise. Going to be using a 1.2mm tension tool. This is from Multipick and a piece in gem, 18,000th. Going to just push the pick in off this left-hand warding ledge all the way to the back, and I can feel pin 5 sticking down. So just going to bully my way past it with the pick tip, and I can feel that it's been set just by the process doing that. So pin 3, I can feel the binding. Push up. I feel that click. Pin 2 now. 2 and pin 1. Come on, pin 1. Where are you? There we go. And we have an open. Oh, got to turn it a bit more round than I thought. All the way, all the way, all the way. And there we go. Let's release that from the vise, and I'll show you what's going on here. So yeah, it's very pretty, very awesome lock, but maybe it could have done with some security pins in there. 5 pins, I think. If there are security pins in here, then I certainly didn't feel them. Could be the bitting. Certainly, I only felt like I picked pin 5, 3, 2, and 1. And if you look down there, it looks like from that cutout it might be a ball bearing. It's not like that. It's more like a bicycle D-lock. If you look down there, I need to push the pins away from the bottom to turn the core a bit more and put the tension tool in to show you. But look, the whole plug itself, or core, rotates round like that to block the keyway, and that's what engages with this cutout here in the shackle. Kind of cool, isn't it? So it won't go in just like that. I rotate this around, it will go in, I rotate it all the way back, and it's now locked again. Pretty nice. So yeah, very pretty, not extremely secure, but really love the lock. I hope you do too. If you like this video, leave a like. If you have a comment, leave a comment. I'll read them all or reply to as many as I can. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps me out and gives me lots of encouragement. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I'll see you all next time.